Hi, you're back. Did you miss me? Or did you miss the stories most? I'm at a beautiful park. Let me show you around. It is a beautiful day with fall colors. I think you guys will like it. So what season is your favorite? I like summer and fall most. If it's nice weather where you're at, you guys should definitely go to the park or the playground and enjoy the sunshine. Our storybook today is called Cooking with Sam I Am. Cooking with Sam I Am by Courtney Carbone. I am Sam. Sam I am. I want to cook green eggs and ham. We can cook them here or there. We can cook them anywhere. Let us cook them at my house. Please help cook them, Fox and Mouse. All my eggs are in a box. Will you crack them, Mr. Fox? Start with butter, just a pat. We do not need as much as that. Put the butter in a pan. Then, being careful as you can, crack the eggs. Watch them cook. The eggs are ready. Look, look, look. Now we need to heat the ham. Watch and learn from Sam I Am. Turn off the heat. Take out the meat. Cut off a piece. Pull up a seat. You will like this. Taste and see. You will like this just like me. It is time to eat, eat, eat. Think they like it. Green eggs and ham cannot be beat. Well, what do you know? I guess the fox and the mouse really liked the green eggs and ham. What about you guys? Have you tried green eggs and ham? Ask your parents. Maybe they can make you green eggs and ham. Enjoy your weekend, everybody. Please like and subscribe and have fun out there, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.